back with another video, and today's video is a really fun one because today's video is going to be all MAC everything. So I wanted to do a tutorial with all MAC products. I have everything MAC sitting in my basket here, and what inspired this tutorial was the fact that MAC came out with some brand new products. I feel like MAC is like that OG brand that everybody used to use back in the day, and now they kind of like fell to the wayside a little bit, but I think they're doing what they can to stay relevant. So they came out with some brand new products and I was itching to try them. MAC was the first high-end brand that I ever tried, so they have a special place in my heart. So they came out with this soft focus light sweep warm, oh those are the shades. This is just a Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape contour palette is what it is. I think these are just the shades that are in here. Not that I needed another contour palette, but I went ahead and picked this one up. It reminds me a good deal of the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Then they have this big mirror, so I'm excited to see how this works, especially this middle shade right here. And then they also came out with a brand new concealer. This is their Studio Fix concealer, and I got mine in the shade NC35. And then PatrickStarrr came out with another MAC collection, so I just picked up the eyeshadow palette and one of the liquid lipsticks, and I plan on trying that out today as well. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys are enjoying my channel and you want to see more of my face. Go ahead, click the subscribe button, and also make sure you are clicking that little notification bell so you know when I upload videos. But without further ado, let's jump into the look. So I ran out of my MAC eyebrow pencil, so I just did my eyebrows off camera, and I will have a brow tutorial coming soon, I promise you guys. But we're just going to prime our eyes. I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base, and I'm just going to prime my eyes with that. Alright, so I decided to zoom you guys in a little bit. The next thing we're going to do is take this PatrickStarrr and MAC collaboration. This one is in Overpacked, and these are the wonderful, wonderful eyeshadows. These are super cute for like fall, winter time. Like, oh my gosh, this is going to be so amazing around holiday time, you guys. So I am going to take, I don't know what I'm going to do, because I feel like I need a transition color in there somewhere. But I'm going to try to work with that one. So I'm just going to take this cool toned shade right here, and I'm going to add that to my crease, and I'm also going to sweep it on my lid a little bit. And this actually is deep enough to be a transition shade. I'm going to try to only work with the shades in the palette. Now I'm going to take this Zoeva 227 brush, which is a little dirty, but it's okay. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to put it right into this burgundy shade, and I'm just going to add that to my crease. This brush is a lot less fluffy than the last brush that we used because I want to concentrate that burgundy shade. This gold shade right here. I'm going to use my Sigma E55 eye shading brush, and if you guys want a discount code, I have the link down below in the description box. But I'm going to take this Sigma brush, dip it into the gold, and this gold has like, it has like some burgundy reflex in it. It's pretty cute. Like, this is a perfect holiday palette. This should have come out in like 2 months, seriously. I'm going to spray it with my MAC Mineralized Charge Water, and I'm just going to add it to the lid. Oh, look at that. Barely touched it. Deep brown shade in the palette just to deepen up the outer V. I'm going to use the Sigma Diffused Crease Brush E38, and I'm just going to dip into it lightly because I don't know how pigmented it's going to be. Do a little more dipping. This eye look came out so pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes, and I'm gonna put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I added on liner and lashes, and for liner I used the Sigma gel liner in Wicked. I can't find it right now, but I used the Sigma gel liner, and for lashes these are the Cherry Blossom number 43 lashes. I love these lashes. So for primer, I'm going to keep it with the MAC and use the Prep and Prime Skin Refined Zone Treatment. Yeah, Skin Refined Zone Treatment, and it just looks like this. And I'm going to add that to my face. I love this stuff because it feels like a lotion, but it really makes my skin like super poreless. Super poreless. Next, I'm going to take my absolute favorite MAC foundation, and it's the Studio Fix Fluid by MAC. I'm in the shade NC45. This is a super full coverage foundation. If you have not tried it, I would totally recommend this one. Concealer, I'm going to take this 24-hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC. I use the shade NC35, and this is a brand new concealer, so I'm just super excited to see how it works and how it wears. And this is kind of light. I probably should have gotten NC40, but it's okay. We're going to make it work. another brand new product from MAC, and this is their new Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. I have mine in medium dark / dark, and it has a huge mirror. This is how it looks. Almost reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills original contour palette. But I'm going to take this shade right here in Soft Focus, and I'm going to set the concealer up underneath my eyes. To set my entire face, I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in medium deep, and I'm just going to sweep it all over the face. Palette once again and contour my cheeks using this middle shade right here, and I'm going to take this Sephora Pro Flawless powder brush. Isn't this the brush I just used? Yeah, so I have two of these apparently. I'm going to take this brush and contour my cheeks, bronze / contour. I'm going to take one of my favorite MAC blushes. This is the Prolongwear blush in Make You Mine. I've used this I don't know how many times on my channel, and I just absolutely love it. Ooh, that's pigmented, honey. Pigmented. Up the eyes real quick. I'm gonna sweep this, I think I'm gonna sweep this deep brown shade. I'm gonna sweep that right under my lower lash line. And just to give the look a little bit of depth, I'm going to take this same brush and I'm going to dig into this burgundy a little. And I'm just going to sweep that right on top. So let's go ahead and do some highlighting using the MAC Whisper of Guilt. This is in like the special holiday packaging from last year. I love this highlighter. I probably used this highlighter for like 6 months straight after I got it around the holiday time, because it's just so pretty. I wish I would have gotten it years ago when it first came out. I want to finish up the eyes using this highlighter as well, and I'm just going to take the small detailer brush. This is the Real Techniques detailer brush. I'm going to take this and just put it on the inner corner of my eye. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with the PatrickStarrr and MAC lipstick. This one is in #Patty Pout. Man, this is the most beautiful red. I just keep thinking this is such a holiday collection. And just because I haven't really been feeling the matte lip all like that, I'm going to take this Kylie lip gloss in Literally, and I'm just going to add this right on top of this red lip. So last but not least, I'm going to take my MAC setting spray. This is the MAC Fix Plus Matte, and I'm just going to spray some of this onto my skin. Tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this all MAC tutorial. I'm gonna have to come back and let you guys know what I think about their brand new products, the contour palette, the concealer. I'm gonna have to come back and let you guys know what I think about those, because the look came through for me. So I'm really loving these products so far, but I'm gonna have to do an update video for you guys and let you know how I'm liking all these new products that I got. But once again, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those platforms be lit, so make sure you follow me over there. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!